What's going on, guys? We're here in the city of Montebello checking out these luxury new builds. Look at those. I'm gonna show you guys an aerial shot of what it looks like. We got 3 floors and these are built by the Toll Brothers, partnering up with Lennar. Super awesome properties. I mean, these are luxury. We're in Montebello. Homes maybe go up to 1.1. These are listed at like up to 2.3 million. So this one that we're gonna see right now, it's 2 million. It's a 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath. Really nice. We got 4,335 square feet. That's insane. So I'm gonna show you guys the front real quick. I'm getting a little ahead of myself, but it looks really beautiful, man. Let's check it out. Look at that. You walk in. I love what they did with these staircases, like floating staircases. Wow. Wow. And can you imagine just walking in like, yeah, this is my pad right here in Montebello. Look, floating staircases. That looks really good. So I love the kitchen more on this one than the one we did prior. The other one's gonna be a little bit more expensive, but this is nice. Look at this. So we got living room space area. This one's a little bit tighter. I feel like the other one's a little bit more open. But I'm gonna show you guys. Let's look at it. Let's check it out. Let's look at the specs here. So waterfall countertops, love it. How did they do that? They just like painted that? That's pretty cool. They customized that. That's really nice. So the other ones had handles down here. Look at that. Wow. And then what I love about these doors, the way they open up, look at that. Bam. Oh, another one. So like you can, like guys, you can literally have friends over, have some outside. You have this big open door here, and then you have all this that you can still hang out. I'm gonna show you guys the outside now. Let's close it up because it's nice and cool in here. You don't want to let all that out. So look at the back. It's a little tight. It's not the biggest. It's luxury living, but it's more about the inside of the house. And it still comes with a jacuzzi and a pool. Like that's super cool. You can tell they're building more out there. So nice space. What I like, what I can appreciate about the space is that they did as much as they possibly can with what they had, right? This is more about the type of home that there is, instead of like, hey, I want this huge luxury backyard. This is more about the luxury in home, so I can appreciate that. Let's start walking up. Or actually, we have another bedroom and restroom down here. Let's flip it. I love the high ceilings. Like that's gorgeous. You guys consider this luxury living? Because I do. I mean, I grew up in a mobile home, man. And look at, now I'm touring these $1 million homes. This is crazy. I just love that. All right, guys, so we're gonna show you guys what it looks like walking up these steps and then kind of getting the angle. It's nice. Waking up, oh, I'm in this luxury home. This is super dope. Super, super cool. All right, look, so we still got, look at those high ceilings. This is insane. Crazy. Beautiful shared restroom here. So not a master, right? But I mean, if you really wanted to, that you can make it look whatever you want, right? Good space here. Little loft area. I really like the staircase in the middle. I know it's kind of awkward, it takes up some space, but I really like it. Oh, there's another secret little area over here. This must be like a little walk-in closet. Yeah, it is. It's nothing special. I just didn't see it the first time. So one thing to think about, right? Whoa, what's going on with the camera, man? We're gonna be walking into the master, but what I really like about these homes is it's like almost each bedroom has their own restroom, basically. So let's show you what it looks like. And as you can see, they're building, guys. Look at that. Laundry room area. Wow. Look at this master. This is beautiful. I love what they did with that wall back there. That is amazing. Oh my goodness. My wife would die here. She'll literally just faint in that bathtub right there. This is insane. This is really nice. Walk-in closet. See how many watches? Like, yeah, if you're buying this house, like, you better have a, I don't even know how to open this. There we go. You better have a lot of watches if you're buying this house. Guys, this is insane. Guys, we can help you guys get into one of these luxury homes. Like, this is incredible. Now you don't care too much about the toilet here, but that restroom is literally bigger than like a house that I had. Like if you, I grew up in a mobile home, right? Part of my life, and the mobile home is not that big. This is crazy. This is a lot of space, guys. So let's walk it up. Show you guys what it looks like from the top. Like, I don't even have to say much on these videos. I'm just by showing you guys, man, I love this loft area, guys. My goodness. Play some foosball. They don't know anything about foosball. My wife kicks my butt in foosball though, by the way. She really does. Oh man, they're getting serious right here. That's crazy. You can see the AMC over there. It's really, really nice. Nice countertops. And then I got a shared restroom up here. Show you guys what it looks like from the top.